Maximize load on your hinge. Being a fixed modality like a machine, the jammer arms are a great way to overload your hinge because it eliminates some of the stability components like that of a pair of dumbbells or barbell, which can be taxing and cause you to compromise how heavy you can go. But first, let's make sure your hinge is perfect. Compared to a conventional deadlift, which may incorporate more quads among other muscles, an RDL is simply a loaded hinge. This means the set position will be at the top, not the bottom. With the grip centered over the midfoot, root the feet into the floor with the heel, pinky, and big toe and twist into the floor to turn on the hips. Shoulders are back, ribs are down and connected to the hips to ensure proper bracing. Although they won't move, pull back on the handles to maintain tension in the lats to improve trunk stability. Push the hips back and guide the hands down the leg until you feel stretch in the hamstring, as this will be different for everyone. From the stretched position, pull through the hips and return to a standing position. The only muscles stretching in a hinge are the hamstrings and glutes. Outside of that, nothing moves. Avoid overcompensating with anterior pelvic tilt, as this can affect bracing ability and put strain on the low back. Avoid leaning forward, as hinging should be thought of as keeping the center of gravity stacked over the feet. Avoid shifting the weight too far back, as this can cause the lats to lose tension. Avoid descending beyond the point of feeling stretch, as this can cause you to borrow range of motion from the low back.